Well, I was a traditional AV integrator and grew up, in the industry with a lot of the disciplines that these companies have, which are good. In 2020, during the pandemic, a whole new generation of products came out. There was centralized control. There was the UC platform was very important instead of just designing systems around the four corners of the room. And these new generation of products basically didn't use the traditional AV connectors, but they used USB connections. And what we did a little bit differently is we embraced that technology versus, fighting and kind of over designing. We help our clients navigate. There's probably 30 to 40 different bars that we sell right now. And we've developed a whole new generation of design tools that help do everything from measure acoustics to compare the bars. So one thing that makes us different is our ability to identify the performance differences with the different video bars and systems on the market. So for example, I have two video bars in front of me, and at the same distance in the same environment, you'll see that one produces a fairly good sound quality. To the second one, it produces a different sound quality. And these are really important things to identify when you're designing a conference room. Another thing that makes us different is we've invested a lot of time in designing tools that help us identify the performance differences with all the different products on the market. So Call One has the ability to look at the 32 different systems that we sell and to do comparisons to see which devices are going to, how they'll work with each other, their compatibility and their capabilities, even price. Call One also has design tools that allow us to calculate the performance of the room. We use standards to calculate microphone performance, video performance, and camera performance, and even third-party peripherals. That's how we're different. We're embracing the new technology and embracing the new hybrid work experience.